Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia XR20, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now, to get started, pull down your notification panel and look for the battery saver, which for me is right here. And once you find it, tap on it, turn on, and there we go. It is now enabled. As you can see, max brightness of the device did drop. So that's one of the things. Additionally, there's a couple things happening in the background which are not disclosed. So if you're not using your device when it's well, you lock it up and just put it away. And this is considered a sleep mode. And in this mode, the device will disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile network to preserve battery. So if you would be relying on any kind of notifications that require internet connections, those notifications will not arrive to you till you unlock the device, at which point the device will reconnect to everything and sync up everything that was missing. So that is for the people that are wondering more why their notifications aren't arriving. So anyway, once you're done with this mode, all you need to do to turn it off is just simply tap on it again, and there we go. It's now back to normal. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.